Facebook noise when scrolling. So here's just a quick fix for that if it really annoys you. Like you just tap on your profile in the bottom right, and then you just, so by the way, I'm using Facebook app on iOS. Go to settings and privacy, go to settings, and then here you just have media, and then tap, make sure to disable, to toggle off this in-app sound, so it's grayed out, it's off, and then this scrolling sound will be just disabled. Of course, you can just silence the whole for iPhone, just as you usually put it in the silent mode. But then you will just silence all other apps. If you just want to disable this annoying scrolling sound, then you just disable it here in this setting. Hope that is helpful. Put a like, subscribe, share this video so others can know how to fix this annoying issue.